from, you know, that's the way they look when they were collected. Some slices. And out of the rock tumbler for some of these others. What I want to do is show what happens when you use automotive Armor All. Is a very simple hack using this to take a regular, nice rock and see if we can't improve on it a little bit. So just a little spritz of Armor All. And then we'll just set it on a cloth and wipe it down afterwards. Let's just do a few of these to start. So that first one, let me back it up. That first one was banded iron formation, or BIF. That is magnetite, and the red is jasper. This one is nickeline. And perhaps some silver, but the coppery color is nickeline. Just give it another little squirt. Okay, we'll move on to this. Very nice slice. But let's give it a squirt. Okay, we'll set it over here. More banded iron formation. Nice warm glow on it. Well, let's just see if we can make it even nicer. See how it brings out the color in the rock? Isn't that cool? Here was a piece of agate. It came out of the rock tumbler. Alright, and what do we have here? Ooh, this. This is amethyst. From Thunder Bay. Okay, I'll set that aside. More amethyst. Just make sure it gets in all the points. Okay. Form of mica called muscovite. Wipe that up. What else do we want to do? One more rock. It's a slice. See that? Silver. Okay, I'll let that sit. We'll leave the other ones for another day. Okay, I've left it on 5 minutes. I don't want to leave it on too long. All I've got is a clean rag. Let's see what we can do to these things. I think the Armor All has a cleaner in it, but it's also got maybe a wax. But it does an interesting job. See that? Let's try the muscovite. Banded iron. Now, anytime you add something to your rocks that's a little unusual, it probably needs to be explained to whoever, especially if you're going to sell it, that you've done that. It's just good form. That one's definitely improved. Nice. Banded iron again. This is almost complete jasper. Look at that. I think it really brought out additional color in there. Cool. Here's my agate. Again, just a little more depth. Not so much a polish, but I like. Here's my slice of silver. Down to these bad boys. Hard to get in the crevices. I might need a little bit of something. Maybe a Q-tip. Well, we'll see if that has done something. I haven't found that it hurts any of the rocks I put it on. But I'm real happy with that. Let me get a Q-tip, clean those up a little bit more. Okay, so here we go. Just get rid of the cracks and grooves. Yuck. You like? I like. I like it a lot. Let's do this one. Well, there we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Is this something you've tried or would do? Or do you have something better? We can all learn from each other. Thanks for watching.